Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Selene. Now, Selene is talking about her son, Joseph, of course, and the fact that she is trying, to make sure that he's on the straight and narrow. She's saying that she is not standing up to any slackness, so she don't want him to bring girl after girl after girl to her house. So she's standing up to him on that issue. So go and watch the video with her and what she has to say, because she's saying that, listen, I don't want to have any more grandkids right now, and she don't want her son to be using people's children, girl picnic, of course. So she is cutting that out. She don't want that for anybody else's child, and so she's not allowing it in her house. So check out the video, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And remember, also, there's memberships available. Go buy, purchase your membership, and have a wonderful day.
Yes, guys, I'm here, guys. You can't lock off the phone. You understand? Because I talk the truth. You understand? I don't want another grandpicnic. Because I suffer enough. And I don't want my grandpicnic them to suffer. You understand? So you can go cut off the phone and I go out with them things, but I put up with something for me. I tell him I don't want no woman here. But he. And if he want it is here, that's it. We can't take another baby I know. Joseph don't have no responsibility. All the man to lock up in a room with woman. Just lock up in a room with a woman. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. He can't work, that virgin, he can't work. Me is not the mother where I sit down and see my abusing and using people get picnic and sit down and laugh. If no one, nobody can have them to give them. So the young girl have to stay in them yard and leave Joseph alone. Because Joseph now have nothing to give them. Me tell him now wake up and pass the phone give me. And go for the food for me and put back this when I finish it. He left it at ground. So Joseph stay, he leave it at ground and walk gone. And gone back in the room and said to deal with him. And so him stay social media people just want to hear me talk, couldn't know the half when me go through with this boy. He stand by one phone and me stand by the phone from December and he might use it. I'm just me ask him if it is a problem. And it's my phone me stand by give me. Pay a problem I can create in my life. If you get money like you want to buy pampers, buy wife, buy this, buy that, buy food for him, because suppose him been picking everybody. No, him to go work. Him supposed to go work. So we are telling the truth, guys. You don't know what I go through. Under the mercy of God, I carry me through. I go buy beauty bling and I get a little money and maybe money to buy food. Don't worry about me and look at work. Me alright. Me old 40, 50 a day old woman. Me say go and sell my body. I sell so orange and banana and panty and Brazil. No sorry for me. Derek, whatever, don't sorry for me. You go sell your bottom. I can price it on body now. Because body tighter than pussy. Derek, don't draw me out. Derek, CALUM. Derek, go sell your body. Because you sell your body and it not benefit you nothing. Good morning, dear. So we got to try this one and they will make me a curse. If I go ask God, I will go repent to ask God to wash my mouth and baptize my tongue. Sanctify my tongue. Tell God sanctify my tongue. God will do it. Yeah, me I do leave me alone. You know nothing about me. Then it's every man say me for look at work. David can say me for look at work. Me never tell him say me go sell my body like how I sell film and I get the money. And him live at hotel and me live in a nice clean house. You know want nobody in my car now. Kiss my ass. Me got church this Sunday man, you not draw me out. Please fuck off and kiss my ass. And the church at the heart. God no look at the church. God pay Sodomite and Batman and Obia Wakaga church like you. Sodomite and Batman and Obia Wakaga church like you. In that church I jump up today Sunday. And yesterday Saturday. Pay Batman and Sodomite that church I jump up. Homosexual, lesbian. I jump at about Shanda. You know, full of demons like blood clot crab. You know, full of shit like crab. Some people now name crab because them full of shit like crab. You know, me I take it easy, but nobody no draw me out, because me chase you know. I'm not having my ticket. I'm not a dead man after me. I'm not burying no dead for me. I mean, I kill nobody for no mama, I want to put on no grandparents then, and I kill them. Because their life miserable with blood clot, you know, then get heart attack. That's true, no man. Obia work and Sodomite and lesbian and Batman. You know, in the parliament, you know, in the church, they were. You know, in the force, the whole of you corrupt. That's why God can't bless Jamaica, because you're too corrupt. You know, in the force, you know, in the church, you know, every blood clot, you know, in my neighbor too. You know, in the community, you know, Sodomite, Batman, blood clot, self. Lesbian, don't you worry with blood clot, Obia worker. But I good over evil. Father God, I make them fight me so hard. I look at it and me no coward. I look at him, me trust in a God. They want me living at the mark like dog. But no does it obey work of them get no reward. Don't make them get no reward. Don't let the little dirty fuck of them